Nitro Dave here. Today, we're going to do some Flo Supply.
Yep.
So Justin from Texas Speed came down, and he's brought his personal car. He had a little
Yeah, we had a little incident a couple of weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, I guess you could say. Pretty much blew up the motor, house on fire. So now we're here, we're going to redo all the fuel lines with a Flo Supply and get her back running and going.
Sweet. So give us a rundown on what exactly you're needing the crew to make for you today.
So today we're going to run some -16 from the fuel cell to the filter, and then to the pump, a -12 to 10 to the fuel rails, and then to the return, and that's pretty much it.
Is everything PTFE?
Yes, everything's going to be PTFE, all crimp.
With the nylon braid on the outside?
Yes, sir.
Sweet. You're in good hands. Brad, Roger, and John are going to take care of you. I'm going to be in and out today, so I'll check in on you on a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's grab a couple, just in case. Nah, we'll leave one. Here it come. Hey, there's Chase. See old Chase over there? Hey, Chase, say hi. Tell everybody hi. He really wished he was gonna be helping us on Scrappy, but he didn't make the cut. Sorry, Chase.
Working right on where the shoulder kind of comes down to the ribs a little bit there.
Okay, right here.
Yeah. Should be good. Look, 180 and came back, but
Just 45 on this side?
yeah.
Professional.
Number one in all your fittings. Number one. Number one.
No, it came out great.
Got the turbo oil line down here ran to the pan, so everything after the pump, through the rails, back to the regulator, return line. We also ran his main feed line from his tank to his pump. Man, all he's got now is just wiring and late night garage time.
Another 2 late nights and it will be up and going.
Oh, yeah. And then and he still has his primer line too.
Yeah.
He's going to build that because he uses it with a check valve. So, see, hey, everybody. Hey, everybody.